Hello guys, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to delete your Plenty of Fish profile account in PC. Now first of all, open your web browser. I'm going to use Firefox as my web browser and type in Plenty of Fish and hit enter. It will search up the links for your search. Now click on this link, that is www.pof.com, and it will send you to the official website of Plenty of Fish. Now to delete your account, just go to my profile, that is on the top bar of this website, and go to edit profile. Now it will show you this page and click on settings, scroll down a little bit, and as you can see, here is a delete account. Click on this delete account and you can either choose take a break or delete my account. So I'm going to delete my account by clicking on it. You can click on these two if you want to recommend someone, and click on delete account and click yes, I am sure. Now your account has been successfully deleted. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.